welcome back to my channel. So I'm coughing. I got a little bit sick. After I changing Daisy for the before the video, so do the video. Maybe that video not uploading yet. And my mom finding this big giant box for me, so I put all my squishy in it. So here is all my squishy. For the soccer ball, something like that. Actually, people ask me, do you sell squishies? Selling squishies? The answer probably no. I was wanted to collecting all the squishy, being a long time not selling them because of course I cannot mail you guys. Like I cannot email you guys things. So I can probably can. I have like a can of squishy. This is on my iPhone Peach is coming. Oh my god, how slow is instant? Look guys. Can you guys see how slow it is? I love my bag. It's very, very slow. Like this. Probably this is on this way. Let me guess it. This thing is a soccer ball. Handball. Soccer ball. The shell bread. And the chocolate Lego. Marco. New Jumbo Panda. No, new Jumbo Peach. iPhone Peach is the pink one. I'm gonna organize them after making this video. And thanks for watching. I will gonna be having more squishy. But not right now because you know what? I have to my squishy's not come yet, so I can wait for it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Please click and subscribe in the comment section below. Which squishy are you most of your favorite? I think my favorite squishy is this iPhone Peach. Those cheap that were very expensive, like $10 on the squishy.com, but as a real iPhone Peach gonna be for more expensive, like $30 or $40, maybe $20. It's the real iPhone Peach gonna be cheap. It was for $20, but it was not cheap. It's gonna be for $20, $30, $40 to $50. It's like very expensive. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I said it 3 times, I think. Click like and subscribe in the comment which one you like the most. And I just know it because I'm losing 1 subscriber or 2 subscribers. So sad. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Subscribe.